that I'm not connected with Sitaw anymore. Uulitin ko, I'm not connected with them.
Uy, Tol, kumusta? Tol, kilala mo ba si Mr. MG Lopez? Uy, Tol, ito, okay lang naman. Ikaw, kumusta? Oh, kilala ko, bakit? Napanood mo ba sa TikTok na sinabi niya doon na he is not connected with Sitaw anymore? Agoy! Ano meron? Sealer pa naman ako ni Sitaw, Tol. Mamaya, Tol, pasend naman mamaya, Tol, sa Messenger. Nakakaba, ano kayo meron? Yo, what's up guys? So this is Miljin Ian Baruel and for today's video, so aalamin natin kung bakit nag-quit si Mr. MG Lopez sa Sitaw kasi sinabi niya doon sa video niya, he is not connected anymore kay Sitaw. So ayun, aalamin natin yon. At dahil nag-quit na si Mr. MG Lopez sa Sitaw, so ito na rin ba yung sign para mag-quit na rin ba tayo or hindi? So alamin natin yan guys. Keep on watching. Para sa mga hindi nakakakilala kay Mr. MG Lopez, so isa po siyang motivational speaker and of course, multi-millionaire. Isa rin siyang businessman, of course, kagaya natin. So, ang pinagkaiba lang, siya ay multi-millionaire. And then tayo, hindi pa lang. Alam naman natin na idol natin yan si Mr. MG Lopez. Ayun, panoorin natin yung video na to para malaman natin kung bakit siya na-quit sa Sitaw. So, ayun guys, before tayo mag-start, nais ko lang i-shout out ang mga taong to. Kahit hindi connected about Sitaw, yung mga comment nila, natutuwa pa rin ako, gano'n. Sabi ni Mr. Warren De Los Santos, 431, buhi pa di ay si Michael Jackson. So, yung salitang yun guys is Bisaya. So, ibig sabihin, buhay pa pala si Michael Jackson. So, ayun, Sir Warren De Los Santos, 431, shout out sa iyo, sir. God bless. And of course, kay Ma'am User XS1RB3BF9G. Sabi niya sa isa sa mga video natin, isa lang napansin ko, ang gwapo mo. Agoy! So, ayun ma'am, thank you so much. And na-appreciate ko yung sinabi mo or yung comment mo. So, kahit alam kong bola lang yon, so thank you pa rin and shout out sa iyo. Tara, start na tayo. Panoorin natin yung video ni Mr. MG Lopez na inilabas niya noong January.
Yes, good day to you guys, and I'm gonna make a very important announcement. Months ago, I was invited by Franklin Mayano sa Lazy Genius podcast. And it was an amazing conversation. And bro, salamat pala dito. And we talked about Sitaw.
Ikaw ba yung may-ari ng Sitaw?
Chinese ang may-ari ng Sitaw. Kaya ang Sitaw eh, Southeast Asia.
And I just want to be extremely clear with you guys that I'm not connected with Sitaw anymore. Uulitin ko, I'm not connected with them. Now, way back, I was promoting them, but I'm not directly connected to the company. I was simply promoting them in our videos. And I don't have anything negative to say about them. Gusto ko lang linawin na simula pa nung December 2023, we are not connected with Sitaw anymore. We noticed a lot of people are still using my name, using our videos, using my pictures in some ads, to actually recruit people to be part of their platform kasi nga meron silang affiliate program. So, ulitin ko, hindi na ako connected kay Sitaw.
So, ayun guys, base sa video na napanood natin kay Mr. MG Lopez, sinabi niya, I am not connected with Sitaw anymore. Noong December 2023 pa lang, so hindi na siya connected with Sitaw. And nalabas yung video na to noong January 2024 lang. Di ko lang sure kung bago siya na-interview or after siya na-interview is hindi na talaga siya connected with Sitaw. So, hindi ako sure kung kailan siya na-interview. So, kaya I have no idea regarding that. Since maraming mga nagtatanong pa rin ng mga people, of course, regarding kay Sitaw, kung si Mr. MG ba yung owner nito. So, alam naman natin sa mga seller ni Sitaw dyan, so alam naman natin na hindi Pilipino yung may-ari ng Sitaw. So, isa siyang Chinese and si Mr. MJ Lopez, naging daan lang para i-promote yung company nila, yung products nila sa Pilipino. Ganon. Yung mismong sitaw through making videos. So, ayun guys, patagal ng patagal, nakikilala na si Sitaw. So, hindi lang sa mga sellers or mga online sellers, tinatangkilik na rin ito ng mga influencers, mga tiktokeres, mga vloggers, of course, even mga artista, is pinopromote na rin nila to. So, ayun guys, ganun na kasi Sitaw ngayon. So, maraming nabigla nung naglabas ng video si Mr. MJ Lopez regarding sa pag-quit niya kay Sitaw. Maraming mga naalarma kung ano yung meron behind sa reason ni Mr. MJ Lopez kung bakit siya nag-quit. So, ngayon, alamin natin and continue natin yung video.
Now, ano ba ang ginagawa ni MJ Lopez? One, I'm one of the owners of Worldwide Entrepreneurs. So, nag-start ang 2006 pa, we have our own manufacturing of Moringa products and our distribution channel is network marketing. At yun yung makikita nyo sa ilang mga videos natin where every Saturday we have trainings. So usually tuwing Saturday meron tayong seminar at yung napapanood yung video, totoong maraming tao, around 150 to 200 every week. And some of them are members of We or guests na gusto lang umattend. Number 2, we have MJ Lopez Media. We are planning to expand our media team but for now, in-house media team ko sila. So MJ Lopez Media is the one editing this video, doing the setup for the vlogs, the podcast, and all the videos you are watching. And from time to time, we still get promotions. Sa ngayon, hindi kami gumagawa ng video para sa iba, maybe in the future. But for now, MJ Lopez Media's sole purpose is to create video for me. Number 3, we have MJ Lopez Life and Business. That is where we do the speaking engagements, coaching, private coaching, mentoring, and soon, courses. At abangan nyo yan, guys. Number 4, we have a real estate business and in partners with my mom. So we have commercial buildings, rental properties, and right now we are building resorts. And soon, I will also build my own company around real estate. And number 5, we have several traditional businesses. And yes, creating content is simply my passion. This is a huge expense for us. Wala tayong kinikita sa mga vlogs. Alam naman natin na hindi pa ganun karami yung subscribers natin sa YouTube. And in Facebook, Spotify, and TikTok, we are focused on creating value for you guys. So yun lang. Gusto ko lang linawin sa inyo ano ba yung mga businesses natin at kung saan tayo hindi connected. So yun lang guys. This is the end of the video. At lagi nyo lang tatandaan that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez and see you soon.
Panood natin yung buong video, nalaman natin, hindi na siya connected with Sitaw, and sinabi rin niya yung mga factors kung bakit nag-quit siya. And yung mga factors na yun, ito yung mga businesses na meron siya. So, siguro hindi na natin isa-isahin. And 5 businesses yung mga binanggit niya. So, ayun, I think kaya niya binitawan si Sitaw ay dahil napakadami niyang hinahawakan ng mga businesses niya. Mas ini-embrace niya yung brand niya, yung company niya, yung businesses na meron siya kaysa ibang businesses. Kumbaga, mas pinapriority niya muna yung mga businesses niya before ang business ng iba. So, ayun guys, based sa opinion ko, so I think valid yung naging reason ni Mr. MJ Lopez. So, hindi naman siya talaga na-quit dahil sa scam si Sitaw, kundi binitawan niya si Sitaw dahil busy siya sa mga businesses niya. Kumbaga, mas pinapriority niya yung businesses niya. Napanood naman natin yung whole video and may part dun siya na sinabi sa pinakauna na video na I don't have any negative to say about Sitaw. I think wala tayong dapat ikabahala. So especially sa mga sellers natin dyan, sa mga subscribers natin dyan, continue lang natin yung pagiging seller natin and ganun din naman ako. So wala tayong dahilan para mag-quit. It doesn't mean na nag-quit si Mr. MJ Lopez sa Sitaw, mag-quit na rin tayo. Si Mr. MJ Lopez kasi, marami siya mga businesses na i-handle. Tayo, hindi pa naman. So, hindi pa naman ganun kadami yung businesses na meron tayo i-handle. So, I think, continue ang buhay, continue ang pagiging seller, continue ang pag-earning sa Sitaw. So, ayun guys, that's it. And thank you for watching. God bless, as always.
Life is a masterpiece in the making, and you are the artist of your destiny. Embrace each brushstroke of time, for they blend together to create a tapestry of experiences uniquely yours. Remember, life is not about the destination. It's about savoring the journey. Embrace the present moment, for it's the only time you truly possess. The adventure awaits. Go forth and make it extraordinary.